Go.
Seriously? Look at her hair. I'm trying hard not to stare. I'm like, what the? Right. Oh, you got to see this. This girl must be from Venus. She's looking really silly. And I look like a genius. This isn't right. No, look at it. No, look at it. Oh my gosh. Her head is such a mess. OMG, she thinks she's better than me. She must have lost her mind. Like, seriously lost her mind. So I'm gonna tell my mommy, and my mommy will tell my daddy, then my daddy will tell my auntie, then we both be like, ew. Now she'll be embarrassed. What's embarrassed? You know, feel stupid, yeah. I'm really for real. She thinks she all that, but ew. Who said she could have it? To me, she just look ratchet. Not really though, who likes that? Right. Look at the way she dresses. She always has a necklace. She's not cool. She's breaking all the rules. This is just horrible. Look at it. No, look at it. Oh my gosh. I am not rude, but this girl is not cool. I see her at my school, always looking like a fool. But I'm the one that's fresher than, and knowing you is better than. I try to show them that I can be cool and be their friend. Then they just laugh and be dying, and on the inside I am crying. I am so hot that I'm frying. Now sounds like I'm whining. So mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, 'cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like, hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I didn't say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. And if people don't like it, then they're just being foolish. Yeah, come on, party people. Why don't we bust the move? You hear that beat? Banging hard, let's get into the groove.
They too far apart and your phone too little.